Hi guys, if you want to view or to see private accounts on Instagram, you want to see their photos, like their stories, and you don't know what to do. Like whenever you go to Google, they say like you have to pay for a subscription, like you have to pay for it so that they can show you, which is fake. Okay, they don't show you anything because I just tried it like a couple of minutes ago. I tried it and I paid like $2 for their service, but it doesn't really work. So that's why I made, guys, this video. This is really a very good solution for this problem. It's free. You don't need to pay for anything. Just follow the exact steps, guys, and you will be able to view accounts that are private. You can view their thing you want. So just follow the exact steps, guys, and you will be able to view private accounts. Now what you want to do, guys, you want to click three little lines in the top right, okay, of your profile, three little lines, and then you want to click on settings in the top. After that, guys, you want to scroll down a little bit and click on add account. Just click on add account. It will make sense in a few seconds. Now you want to click on create a new account at the very bottom. Now you want to type any username you want. Click next. It says here the username is not available. Just select one of the suggested. Then click next. After that, you want to just type here a password, and then you want to click next, and then click on complete sign up. You just want to give it like a few seconds. All right, now you want to click on escape, and then make it, you can make this account public or private, but make it public if you want. Escape. Now you have two accounts on your Instagram account, and you can switch between these accounts by clicking in the top left. You can just click here and you will see all the list of the accounts that you have on Instagram. This will help you, guys. You want to change the picture, the very good picture. If you want to send, if you want like to view a girl's Instagram profile, you can just put here an Instagram picture that really looks good so that you can attract her attention. And now what you want to do, guys, you want to just edit your bio, like picture, account, stuff like that, and then you want to go and then search for the username of that person. Okay, search for the username, and then send a friend, you send like a follow request. Like I said, you have to make it like look good so that they can accept your request, and then after that you can then view their profile pictures without any problem. Okay, this is the only solution, guys. There is nothing better than this. So like I said, it works better than anything else. So see you guys in the next video. If this video helped you, guys, leave a like and subscribe. Like I said, guys, you can switch between your accounts by clicking here. So you will not be notified of you because it's not your account. You will be notified of the new account. Like you have to change the name, like make it better, stuff like that. So see you guys in the next video. Leave a like.